Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the list programs. So it's a basic programs to understand how we can work with list. So let's start. So we are going to see the is 10 questions one by one. Let's see first one. So here Python program to interchange first and last elements in. So we need to define one list like list one equal to and zero index, it will print first one. Print when we need to access last element, then we need to give n minus 1 or otherwise minus 1. Here you can see in 2 and 9 is coming. So it's a first element. We can represent like that. See, so this is, and let's solve the program. So like that we can list one, we need first element, then we can put that last element at the first. So this value will associated with. So here you, this value will put in the zero index, and zero index value will put at last index, which is minus 1, and then we can print that list 1. So here you can see it is replaced. We understand about that first and last index. Python program to swap two elements in a list. We can compare. Here you can see 6 is so it will replace with the 6 with 7 and 7. Okay, and let's see that another example. Swap element in a string list with the, so it will be also the same. So we just need to put some string inside the list. So let's replace with the I, okay, and see how it's look like. So here you can see comment that table and print that. So here you can see I is replaced with hyphen. Here I need to find the list of the length. So suppose we have that list, okay, test one. We want to find the length of the list, then we can put that length test. So it will print that 5. Otherwise, we will count that using. So basically, we count that using one variable counter and using for loop. And here I increment that. So it whatever the elements inside that, it will repeat that and count that. So by increasing 1, it will count all that. So let's see that maximum 2 numbers in the. So we need to find the maximum numbers. So here you can see that print statement provide the maximum numbers. So similarly, we can do for minimum also, okay? And we can do using some writing some functions by comparing that, like counter suppose let's find that. So way to check if the element is exist in list or not. So we just need to find that the list some element is exist or not. Operators and logic to find that. So suppose we need to check 2 is exist or not in the. So let's provide some numbers like 10. Okay, and then if num list 1 like that, we can provide print exist. If 10 not exist, here you can see 10 is not exist, but when we provide the 4, okay, so it's exist, and like that we can check. And different way to clear a list in Python. So we can clear a list with multiple way. After clearing that list one dot clear, okay, so it is a function, so we need to call that. Here you can say it is an empty list, okay, and we can also provide that using equal to 0. So suppose list 1 equal to 0, okay, so it will also clear that. Or we can delete all the elements using, so we can use that del keyword list 1. So when we delete that list 1, so it will completely delete, but it want clear. So we need and that reference with the empty list. So we need to just delete all the elements from the list, and here you can see deleted all the elements from the list. Okay, and for that we need to reverse that element of that list. So print list 1. So we can reverse like that. Here you can see it is reverse order of that list. Okay, and let's see how we can copy that list or cloning that list. So we have multiple way to copy that list. Okay, so we copy that all the elements from that list, or we can clone that by defining a empty list. So suppose we define the list 2 with empty 1 and list 2 dot extend. Okay, so if we have an empty list or any number inside that list, or we want to extend, then we can put list 1 and it will be extend. Or if we do that 2 times, so here you can see all the numbers are multiple times, so it's extend 2 times. Like that we can copy on the list items, or we can use some cloning methods like normally assigning that. So suppose we do not need to define like that, we just need to define like that. So it will clone, but it's not clone, it's just copy the reference of that. And so to understand that copy, we need to print that ID of that list. So suppose print ID, so actually it is an address, so we do not need to print list 2. Okay, so here you can see there is a same, because it's just copy that, and when we put like that, okay, so it should work like different one. So here you can see there is just some number is change. So, okay, so in this method it will change all the elements, and it's completely trending one. So see here it's also, so we can clone that elements like that also. But when we do like that, it just provide that reference of the same variable. Okay, so that's all about. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all about it.